In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up email notifications in Smartsheet so you never miss an update on your sheets again. Email notifications are incredibly useful when you're collaborating with a team, tracking changes, or just want to stay informed when something happens in your project. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an automated alert in Smartsheet using a built-in template, and you'll be able to customize it to fit your workflow. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to smartsheet.com. Sign in to your Smartsheet account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Smartsheet, select the sheet where you want to receive email notifications. This could be a project tracker, a task list, or any sheet where updates are important. Make sure you have the correct sheet open, because the automation we create will only apply to this specific sheet. Next, look toward the top of the screen and click on Automation. This is where all of Smartsheet's automated workflows live, including alerts, reminders, and approvals. When the automation panel opens, you'll see several options to create workflows from scratch or from templates. From here, click on Create from Template. Using a template is the easiest and fastest way to set up email notifications, especially if you're new to Smartsheet automation. Templates are pre-built workflows designed for common use cases, so you don't have to configure everything manually. In the list of templates, find and click on Alert Someone when anything changes. This template is perfect if you want to be notified when any update is made to the sheet, such as changes to cells, rows, or assigned tasks. Once you select it, click on Use Template to load it into the automation builder. Now you'll see the workflow editor, where you can customize who receives the email notification. Click on Add a Name or Email, and then type in the email address or Smartsheet contact you want to notify. You can add yourself, a teammate, or multiple people, depending on who needs to stay informed. Smartsheet will automatically suggest contacts as you type, making this step quick and easy. At this point, you can review the workflow to make sure it matches your needs. By default, this template will trigger an email alert whenever a change is made to the sheet. If that's exactly what you want, you're good to go. If you want more control, you can adjust the trigger conditions or customize the message, but for most users, the default settings work perfectly. Once everything looks good, save the automation. From now on, whenever a change is made to the sheet, Smartsheet will automatically send an email notification to the people you selected. This helps you stay on top of updates without constantly checking the sheet manually. And that's it. You've successfully set up email notifications in Smartsheet using an automation template. This small setup can save you a lot of time and help your team stay aligned. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.